In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly in just 5 minutes. Calendly is a fantastic tool for managing your schedule and letting others easily find a time to meet with you. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to visit Calendly's website. At the homepage, you can sign up for a free account. You have the flexibility to use your email address, or you can conveniently opt to sign up through your Google or Microsoft account. This step is crucial as it sets up your profile on Calendly. Once your account is ready, it's time to connect your calendar. Calendly integrates seamlessly with Google, Outlook, and Apple calendars. By making this connection, you effectively prevent double bookings. This means no one will be able to book a meeting with you during times you're already scheduled to be busy. Next, navigate to the Availability tab. Here you'll set your regular weekly working hours. This step is key because it establishes your default schedule for all new events. It ensures that anyone trying to book your time will see availability that fits within your usual working hours. Now it's time to create an event type. An event type is a template that defines how you meet people, such as consultations or follow-up meetings. Give your event a clear name so that invitees understand what the meeting is about at a glance. You'll also need to define the duration of the meeting and select a meeting location. Calendly can help connect with virtual meeting tools like Zoom or Google Meet, or let your guests know it will be a phone call or even an in-person meeting. To add value to the invite, you can provide a brief summary of what the meeting will cover. This gives your invitees context and sets expectations right from the get-go. You can also fine-tune your meetings by setting more advanced rules, such as buffer time before and after the event, or specifying how far in advance people can schedule with you. All this ensures meetings fit your workflow smoothly. With your event type ready, head back to your dashboard where you'll find a unique link for each event you create. Copy this link and send it to clients, prospects, or colleagues so they can see your available times and select what works for them. Once they click on the link, they will see your real-time availability, allowing them to book a meeting that fits both your schedule and theirs. Finally, as soon as someone books a meeting, both you and the invitee will receive an email notification. This automatic notification makes sure that everyone is informed and on the same page, reducing the chance of any scheduling mishaps. And there you have it. You now know how to use Calendly to streamline your scheduling process, making it easy for you to manage time and connect with others effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.